Welcome to part 3 of our Using Zotero series. In this last video, we'll show you how to use the Zotero plugin in Word to insert footnotes and create bibliographies for your research papers. To start using Zotero in Word, make sure your Zotero desktop app is open. Also, check the menu in Word to find the Zotero tab. Before you start generating notes or a bibliography, it's a good idea to set your citation preferences. You can do this in the desktop app or from Word. In Word, click Document Preferences. In the pop-up window, you can see the citation styles already loaded into Zotero. Make sure the one you want to use is highlighted. If the one you need is not in the list, you can add it by clicking Manage Styles, and then in the new window select Get Additional Styles. Search for the name of the style you want to add and select it from the list. You might be prompted to save it to your computer, but you don't have to do so in order to add it to your list. To insert a footnote, simply place your cursor where you'd like your citation to appear. Then, in the Zotero tab, click Add Edit Citation. In the Zotero search bar that pops up, search for the source you'd like to cite and select it. Zotero will then add the number in the text and generate the note at the bottom of the page. It will update the numbers automatically as you add notes to your document. The Add Edit Bibliography button will generate a bibliography based on the sources cited in your footnotes. Simply place your cursor on the page where you want the bibliography and click Add Edit Bibliography. If you want to list all of the sources you consulted, not just the ones you cited in footnotes, you can generate a bibliography from an entire folder in Zotero. Simply right-click on the folder for your project and select Create Bibliography from Collection. In the pop-up window, select your citation style and make sure Bibliography is selected. To use it right away, select Copy to Clipboard and then paste it into your document.